Well, hello there. Today I'm just making up a couple of spices. This one I'm making is Jamaican curry powder. Funny thing is it really doesn't actually have any curry in it, but it's still a nice, flavorful island spice mix. So to start this off with, I'm also making a double batch. So starting off with 4 tablespoons of ground turmeric, a nice yellow-orange color there. Uh, it's got a nice aromatics to it as well. I am going with 4 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon, or excuse me, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, which is actually optional, and you could actually substitute mace for it if you want. And I don't mean the pepper spray that the girls carry once in a while. And here I have 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Any chili powder you like. And then I have in here 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And again, use whatever type you want. You can use Saigon cinnamon, although Saigon cinnamon really doesn't have as much of a scent as, say, Moroccan does, to me at least. So go ahead and stir this up a little bit. And there you have it there. Oop, looks like I got a little bit outside the bowl, but that's fine. Take yourself a handy dandy little funnel and just pour it right into there. Again, I seem to still be missing. Just think how much bigger the mess would be if I didn't use the funnel. And the thing is turmeric really shows up on the white, doesn't it? Kind of give it a little bit of a mix there, and there you have it. Jamaican curry powder. And just so you guys see, yes, I do actually clean up my work surfaces. Although I'm sure you've seen me do that on other videos too. But enjoy. Now this is good. This is good to be used on fish, chicken. I've never tried it on beef or pork, but it might go good on those too. Enjoy. Bon appetit.